Are you worried about poor circulation in your legs? Blocked or stiff arteries can make your feet feel cold, heavy, or even painful. For many seniors, this isn't just uncomfortable, it's a warning sign that blood isn't reaching where it should. But here's the good news. Nature has given us powerful drinks that can help clear your arteries, boost blood flow, and bring life back to your legs. In this video, I'll share 5 natural drinks that support healthy circulation, and I'll also give you a simple bonus routine at the end that can supercharge your results. So stay with me, because one small daily change could make a huge difference in how you move, feel, and live. As we age, our arteries naturally begin to stiffen. Years of cholesterol buildup, high blood pressure, and inflammation can cause plaque to line the artery walls. This makes it harder for blood to flow smoothly, especially to the legs and feet. For seniors, this often shows up as cold feet, cramping in the calves, swelling in the ankles, or even tingling sensations. These symptoms aren't just annoying, they're red flags that your circulation is slowing down. And when circulation is poor, your legs don't get enough oxygen and nutrients. That can make walking harder, increase fatigue, and even raise the risk of serious health problems. The good news is, improving blood flow is possible, and it starts with the right daily habits. One of the simplest habits? Choosing the right drinks. So let's look at 5 powerful circulation-boosting drinks that every senior can start enjoying today. The first drink on our list is beetroot juice. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps relax and widen your arteries, allowing blood to flow more freely. For seniors, this can mean less cramping, warmer feet, and better energy levels. 1 glass of beetroot juice in the morning can do wonders for your circulation. If the earthy taste is too strong, you can mix it with carrot or apple juice for a sweeter flavor. Over time, drinking beetroot juice regularly may help reduce stiffness in your arteries and improve oxygen delivery all the way to your legs and toes. The second drink is green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and prevent plaque from sticking to your artery walls. This keeps your blood vessels more flexible and your circulation steady. For seniors, this can mean better heart health, improved blood flow to the legs, and even lower cholesterol over time. Drinking 1 to 2 cups a day is enough. Just avoid late evenings if you're sensitive to caffeine, since it can affect your sleep. A warm cup of green tea daily is a simple way to keep your arteries cleaner and your circulation smoother. The third drink is pomegranate juice. This fruit is one of the richest sources of antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which protect your arteries from damage caused by oxidative stress. For seniors, that means less risk of blockages, better blood flow, and healthier blood pressure. Studies show that pomegranate juice can improve circulation and even help your arteries stay clear of cholesterol buildup. Half a glass of fresh pomegranate juice daily is enough. Just make sure it's natural, without added sugar, for the best benefits. A small serving every day can keep your arteries stronger and your legs more energized. The fourth drink is turmeric ginger tea. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory effects, while ginger helps improve blood circulation and prevent blood clots. Together, they work to relax your arteries, reduce stiffness, and ease leg pain or swelling. For seniors dealing with poor circulation, this drink can be especially soothing in the evening. Adding a pinch of black pepper improves the absorption of curcumin, making it even more effective. Enjoying a warm cup before bed not only supports your arteries but also helps your body relax for better sleep. The fifth drink is lemon water with olive oil. This simple combination may surprise you, but it's powerful for artery health. Lemon provides vitamin C, which helps reduce cholesterol buildup, while olive oil adds healthy fats that protect and strengthen your arteries. Drinking a glass of warm lemon water mixed with just a spoon of extra virgin olive oil in the morning on an empty stomach can gently cleanse your arteries, support hydration, and improve circulation to your legs. It's one of the easiest and safest daily tonics seniors can add to their routine for better heart and leg health. Now, let's talk about how to use these drinks safely. Beetroot juice works best in the morning, 1 small glass a day. Green tea can be enjoyed 1 to 2 cups daily, but avoid it late at night if caffeine keeps you awake. Pomegranate juice should be fresh and limited to half a glass per day. Turmeric ginger tea is perfect in the evening, especially before bed. And lemon water with olive oil is best taken first thing in the morning. But remember, if you're on medications like blood thinners or blood pressure drugs, always check with your doctor before making these drinks part of your daily routine. Balanced use and consistency will bring the best results for your circulation and overall health.